Hi, my name is Max and you are watching this video on my channel Smart Passive Income with Max Richman. And in this video I will show you very interesting platform which calls Ai.marketing, and you can see it here, and they earning on cashbacks. You can find it all information here or links under the video, and you can understand how they work after you will see you will watch my video. So I will show you my back office and I will explain you how it works. This is my back office. So what I need to do, I just need to top up my back office and money are spending on reclams. So reclams information in internet, and people are buying some products using this reclams, finding the products, and this website getting cashbacks. So they gives us to cashback. You can see it's maybe like sales. Okay, so here you can see that we get some cashback here, and they have some part of these cashbacks, and we need to wait some days because every shop have time that client can give back the product, for example. But normally after these days we have this cashback here and we can withdraw this cashback. So here I top up on my back office some money. You can see here in statistics, and I top here up $1,550. But here you can see more money, and I will explain you how it works. And but first of all, I want to show you here that I have everyday earning very good cashback because I top up here a good quote. So I will explain you. First of all, what you need to do, if you're watching this video, find the link below and register please on the platform which calls inb.network. Then with your email and your password, just come to this website which I showed you, Ai.marketing, and here when you need to top up, click here, top up, choose here, even click here, you will find here certificate, gift certificate, choose this gift certificate, put here the numbers which you will find under this video, and click to pay. Then you will have $50 here for using on your when you will see advertising budget. This $50 will start to work and you will get like $75. But normally before you will withdraw, you need to, when you click here transfer, you need to give them back this $50. But anyway, you will have like $25 for you. You can withdraw them, but they ask here, if we using this certificate, we need to withdraw first time $100. So if you will choose this gift certificate, and I'm telling you that to choose this certificate because you will get for free $25, it's very good. But next step is top up maybe for $50 or $100. For example, you will choose your certificate, you will have here $50 for certificate, then you choose top up again. You can pay by Visa, MasterCard, you can write here $50 or $100 and just pay from your card. You will get all money here, and then you will see in statistic that they will working from advertising budget for and then you will see here some amount will be spent, and you will see some profit here, and you will have your cashback. As you see, this amount spent, yes, it's less than cashback. So normally we get plus 100% probably in the next 3 months. I call this cycle, yes, that we spend some time, we just top up once, and we just looking for how it's working, because I have pending cashback and then my cashback. soon I will give them back this $50, and then I will just wait when $100 will be free to send, to withdraw, for example, and then normally after it I can withdraw maybe on like $15 or $10 even. I withdraw every day, every day, every day, and another my account I doing this every day. But here is a fresh account where I top up $1,550. But anyway, here we have $2,032, and you will ask me how this money are here. Yes, so I'm telling you that this website, this Ai.marketing, working with a partnership with another website, with another um, website, and they have their own coin. It's called NBO. NBO, if you have NBO, you can get, for right now it's like 30% they will plus 30% when you will top up to your money. For example, I topped up here $1,550, and they gave me here on that time 25%. For this reason, here in my advertising budget is $2,034. So from this amount, I will get probably $2,500 or even more, because you can see that amount which is spent is less than cashback. Yeah, so we will see how it will work. But right now I'm telling you that this platform is working, is very good platform to work, and please open this website Ai.marketing, watch this video presentation, and looking for all this website, what you need to do. You can see here roadmap, try to understand. If you will have some questions, please subscribe this channel, because I try to give you more information. Click the bell here to get new video, and you will learn more and more in next my video about this website, how it's working, how we can get more money, and you will understand how to get passive income without doing nothing.